Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Simmons Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Simmons Bank, gather all your financial documents. This includes pay stubs, bills, and any other relevant financial statements. Log into your Simmons Bank online account or mobile app. Navigate to the Budgeting Tools section. If you're a new user, consider creating an account for personalized features. Begin by inputting your monthly income, including all sources of earnings. Next, list all your monthly expenses, categorizing them as fixed and variable. Fixed expenses include rent or mortgage, utilities, and loan payments. Variable expenses cover groceries, entertainment, and discretionary spending. Use the budgeting tool to track these expenses against your income. Set realistic spending limits for each category based on your financial goals. Evaluate your financial priorities to determine where you can save. Consider utilizing the Savings Goals feature to help visualize your targets. Regularly review your budget every month to monitor any changes or trends. Adjust spending limits as necessary to stay within your means. Utilize alerts from Simmons Bank to notify you of upcoming bills or budget limits. At the end of each month, analyze your actual spending versus your budgeted amounts. Identify areas where you overspent and strategize for the following month. Incorporate any savings or surplus into your next month's budget. Continue this process to develop healthy financial habits over time. Utilizing Simmons Bank's resources can make budgeting easier and more effective. Stay committed to your financial goals for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.